At 5 tonight, a federal judge is rejecting a company's bid to block the Federal Trade Commission's ban on non-compete agreements from taking effect.
And the decision now clears one obstacle to the historic move that impacts around 30 million people. So this is definitely a big topic. Chief Legal Analyst Collie Rhodes joining us here now. So Collie, for those who don't know, let's explain what a non-compete is and why the FTC now is looking to be able to get rid of this.
Most of the time, as part of your employment, a company will require that you put a non-compete. Specifically, that gives it scope in geographic, in time frame, 1 to 3 years, this region of the state, maybe not, the whole country, not indefinite. And so it specifically bars that person from doing that same type of job in an area. I mean,
like news anchors or
news anchors or construction. I mean, in this specific case, it was landscapers. They were saying that they trained their employees a specific tactic that helped them have an advantage over their competition, and they didn't want people to be able to just learn their skills and then go work for somebody else. Right. And so now they're losing money. But this isn't a specific win yet for either side, because all this judge did was say we're going to allow it to move forward. But you got to remember, this happened in April. In April, the FTC rolled this out. In Texas, a judge already said we're going to put it on pause specifically for one specific case. Now this Pennsylvania judge says, you know what, it can go forward. When you have conflicting judges saying conflicting things, that leads to problems.
So there was a business that sued to block this ban, saying that it basically limits them from protecting their trade secrets. But obviously there are two very different sides to this argument. People are very passionate about this.
Well, there's two sides, and there's also protections. And so if you want someone to protect your trade secrets, you do the things to keep those trade secrets secure, specifically put a non-disclosure agreement. And so while you can allow a person to go work somewhere else, they can't disclose things that they learned while they were working for you, and it still protects you. But the problem that we're having, and while the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeals was created, is when you have a conflicting point of opinion from different judges. You have two different judges saying two separate things, and so now only way we can get some kind of clarity is let the Court of Appeals make a determination. Specifically, the judge in Texas said the FTC didn't even have the rule-making authority, which is something that I've never seen. And so where a judge is now saying that they lack not just the oversight, but the authority to make these rules, that's clearly showing a sign that this is going to go to the Supreme Court.
Okay, so just for some clarity and also for people to also understand too, I mean, a large banking industry right here in the Charlotte area. So you have somebody going from Bank of America to Wells Fargo. Clearly you don't want them passing different secrets. I mentioned even news anchors, us in the news business, same kind of thing. When people hear this news of what happened today, for clarity, what does this mean for non-compete agreements?
It means that it will continue to go forward as the FTC anticipated. It will roll out. The rollout's in September. And so if everything goes forward as planned, as of September, non-competes will not bar you from going to work somewhere else, even if you signed on to one moving forward. The problem is with that case in Texas, it was only individually aligned to that specific case. What that does is open the doors for other folks to appeal that and allow this to probably go to Supreme Court. And if we can quickly say the Supreme Court has already attempted to lower the ability rulemaking specifically of agencies like this. So ultimately, I see the Supreme Court striking this down, even though I think legally they have a right to do this.
Good insight. Thanks, Collie. Appreciate that.
Interesting to see what happens.